Hello, I'm Dr. Rhonda Johnson. Today is Thursday, August 8th, 2024, and today I'm doing a COVID update for the month of August. Well, the United States is seeing a rise in COVID infections. We're in a summer wave of infections, and it seems to be driven, at least in the last couple of weeks, by the flirt variants KP.3.11 and KP.3. These two variants are making up almost 50% of sequence variants. Now, where they're coming from, their KP.3.11 is a descendant of KP.3. It appears to be highly infectious. Now, the LB.1 subvariant, which dominated last month, I did a video on that July 1st, it's in decline to about 17% of sequence variants. Now, according to the CDC COVID data tracker website, test positivity, ER visits are sharply up. Hospitalizations and deaths are also slightly up. But again, folks, this is not 2020, and hospitalizations and deaths remain much lower than in previous years. Now, Texas and the southwest region of the United States are showing the highest number of cases. However, many regions no longer consistently report COVID infection information. Now, symptoms can occur 2 to 14 days after exposure to the virus. The symptoms of the new variants are very similar to previous ones. Cold symptoms, sore throat, muscle ache, fever, chills, new loss of taste or smell, nausea, vomiting, or diarrhea. Now, remember, people infected with COVID can be contagious for 10 days or more. And I do believe the current isolation recommendations remain to isolate for at least 5 days after you test positive. Now, be sure to check your home rapid test expiration dates and the FDA website to see if you have expired home tests, whether they can still be used. Now, researchers keep saying that the rapid home tests perform just as well in 2024 as they did in 2022. Remember that reinfection with new variants is possible. Now, what about the COVID vaccine? It is said that the updated 2024 to 2025 COVID vaccines will be available by early September. There are still other things that you can do, and that includes wearing a high-quality mask to minimize your risk of infection in indoor crowded spaces, opening up the windows, use a HEPA air purifier, and that might help prevent infection. That's my message today. As always, take care, folks, and be well and be safe.